Hello everyone. What if I tell you your English is not weak, but your fear is destroying your future? In this video, you will learn how to go from zero to fluent English step by step. Because today, English is not just a language. It is your opportunity, your confidence, and your identity in the modern world. Without English, many doors stay closed. With English, your life can completely change. First step, destroy the fear. Fluency does not start with grammar. It starts with courage. Most people are stuck because they think, what if I make mistakes? What will people think? Listen carefully. People are not laughing at your English. They are busy worrying about their own life. If you wait to be perfect, you will never start. Start speaking broken English. Start speaking wrong English. But start. Second step, think in English, not translate. This is the biggest mistake most learners make. You think in your mother tongue, then translate into English, then speak slowly and lose confidence. Stop doing this. Start with simple thinking. I am going to eat. I feel happy. I will try again. Fluency comes when you think directly in English. Third step, use daily life sentences. You don't need big vocabulary to become fluent. You need simple sentences used daily. What are you doing? Let's go. I understand. Give me some time. Practice these daily. Speak them loudly. Use them in real life. English is not a subject, it is a habit. Fourth step, speak every day. You cannot learn swimming by watching videos. The same way you cannot learn English without speaking. Speak alone. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak with friends. Even if you speak for 5 minutes daily, it will change your life. Consistency beats talent. Fifth step, accept mistakes. Here is the truth no one tells you. Mistakes are not your weakness. Mistakes are your training. If you are not making mistakes, you are not learning. Be proud of your mistakes, because every mistake is one step closer to fluency. Now listen carefully. If you keep saying, I can't speak English, you are not just avoiding a language, you are limiting your future. Opportunities don't wait. Confidence doesn't come automatically. Success doesn't come to silent people. Either you speak or you stay stuck. And I believe you are not here to stay average. I don't believe in perfect English. I believe in confident English. Fluency is not about speaking like a native. It is about expressing your thoughts without fear. If you can communicate clearly, you are already ahead of most people. Now it's your turn. From today, speak at least 5 minutes in English. Think in English daily. Stop fearing mistakes. And comment below, I will speak English. Say it loudly. Say it proudly, because your journey starts now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EnglishEats-V. Let's grow together. Let's speak confidently. Thank you.